from Mars, right? It's more dangerous and more challenging and exciting and more thrilling. Especially your bull riding, I would say, right?
Later. But have you experienced watching in bull riding already?
Yes, 12 kilometers all down here. Big looking in, people are talking about growing.
Next time you will watch the real action here in Masbate. That's bull riding in Masbate. Okay lang. Okay lang. Salamat po. Still, the Visayas State University are playing on the game, casting down. Oh!
Mukhang mabilis ito.
Marunong. Alila.
Mabilis!
Ang mga paka dito, mga trait yan.
Okay, that's it.
Yun.
Tagador!
Ano po? Para makatumba ang baka o ang kailangan tagilid. Nakatagilid. Yun, patagilid. Dito. Yun! It's also very dangerous, no? Because of the horn.
Ulitin
The
po
moment
natin
you
na ito po ay hindi lamang laro, kung hindi talagang ganito po ang ginagawa sa mga malalaking baka dinadala sa ibang lalawigan, no? Ang term lang natin ay casting down, pero talagang ito po ay way of life doon sa mga farm, doon sa mga pistuhan, doon sa mga uma. Lost and found one supervisor or
Yes.
spectacles or sunglasses.
Oh, he's on for a
Sino
ride.
po ang nawawala ng isang pair of sunglasses? Please claim it from us. Wow.
Oo, matatamang ka na ngayon ang
There goes a white
baka
shirt.
sa casting down. May balakihan na, may sungay. Alam mo itong Xavier University, simula pa noon, hindi talaga sila nagbago ng uniform, lalo na ang kulay.
I
To take
think that is their signature. Even the logo.